Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at one of the newest products from Eufy Security by Anchor. This is their video smart lock with remote unlocking and 2K view. So first, we're going to look at the product details and then we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. Before we look at some of the details, I just wanted to mention that this smart lock is new on the market and it is their beta version we're testing, so some features and details might be different from when you buy it. The smart lock has multiple features which I like. It has 2K doorbell integration as well as 0.3 fingerprint sensing recognition. There's a doorbell with a video camera and a smart lock with fingerprint recognition, all integrated with one. This is what makes it great. On the side of the product, there's some quick features listed. For example, it has 2K live view, it has remote control Wi-Fi capabilities, it has smart instant notifications. It also creates entrance and exit locks, and it has two-way audio so you can communicate with whoever's at the door. And it has various activity zones. You can also integrate it with other security products from Eufy and make it part of your home security system. On the back, it's listed that it has 2K live view, so you can capture the tiny details and see who's coming and going in HD resolution. It also installs very easily and deters thieves, since it's integrated with the video doorbell system. It gives you less false alarms because of its infrared and radar sensor accuracy. It is weatherproof and it has 0.3 fingerprint sensing system, giving you quick unlocking experience. You're also able to unlock it easily with Wi-Fi anywhere, and it protects your privacy with local storage, so you're not enrolling in any monthly subscription system. This local storage for the video will be stored in a micro SD card. You're supposed to use a separate micro SD card to insert it into the doorbell chime so it can record all your videos. Before we open up the box, I wanted to quickly mention that I'm going to be testing out the beta version of the app for Eufy Security, so I'm able to operate this latest product. So some of the functionality of the actual app might not be the same as the beta version, and you're going to be experiencing something different. So now let's go open up the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is all that came in the box. We have the front of the door lock, which has the camera on top and the fingerprint sensor right there. There's a keypad right here on this area, and then this is the doorbell button. Then this is our back of the lock, where there's the lock and unlock button. This is some part and a deadbolt to assemble the lock, some more screws and parts. This is a chime, or basically if someone presses this, this is what's gonna ring on the inside part of your house so that you can hear the doorbell. I'm assuming that you plug this, attach this part to your chime and just plug it in anywhere to hear the doorbell. We have some physical keys as well, instead if your keypad's not working. And this is a lithium-ion battery. So I'm assuming that if we download the app, there's going to be some sort of instructions that we could use, or we might have to look up something online to see what the instruction manual is like. So we're going to test it out and see what it looks like. First of all, you have to download the Eufy app from the App Store, and I've already downloaded it. This is one of the beta versions of the app. So I'm going to add my device. I'm going to look for the smart video lock. And when I tried to add it, it prompted me to add the Wi-Fi doorbell chime first before setting up this video smart lock. So I'm going to go do that right now. So I found my doorbell chime on the devices page, and when I select the correct chime, it prompts me to scan a QR code on the bottom of your doorbell chime. So I'm going to try to do that. And if you're not able to scan the QR code, just input it manually when they ask you to do it. And on the next page, you're going to see some instructions where they're going to tell you how to position the doorbell chime. And so you have to install it, rotate the antenna, and plug it into a power socket and wait for the light to turn red. So now you have to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. This device uses 2.4 gigahertz, so you're only going to be able to connect to that. On the top of the doorbell chime, you're going to find the sync button that you have to hold for 2 seconds until the LED blinks green.
Ready for setup.
So my button turned.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in Eufy Security app to set up the system.
So I'm going to now connect to the Wi-Fi. So now it's going to test the Wi-Fi connection, and make sure you're not able to connect this to 5G, so you have to connect it to the 2.4 gigahertz, and
cannot connect to your Wi-Fi.
So seems like there's some problems. We're gonna try to fix that while it's connecting. So you have to wait for some time, and after the LED starts blinking green, you can connect your device. So it's going to be connecting to the Bluetooth. So now I'm going to try to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, and I'm going to select my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and try connecting. It seemed like I wasn't able to connect it, but I'm going to try again. So after re-entering the password correctly, I was able to connect the doorbell chime successfully. And once it connects, it's gonna glow blue. So now I have to give my device a name. My Wi-Fi bridge was connected successfully, and it's also gonna do an internet connection test. For some reason it's showing weak Wi-Fi signal, so you can relocate it to make sure it's at a good position, and the Wi-Fi signal is strong. I'm going to skip that part for now and just go back to that one. To start the installation process, I'm going to try adding the smart lock again, and when I do that, it shows me the installation guide. The installation guide has detailed step-by-steps of how to install the smart lock to your door. So read through it and look into it if you have any questions. We're going to quickly go through some of the main steps. The first step is to prepare the door for installation. You prepare your deadbolt latch, and then you install your deadbolt latch. Then you install the strike plate, and then you have to prepare the exterior assembly. You install the exterior assembly, and then you install the mounting plate, and remove the battery cover, attach the cables, install everything, install the batteries, and then you set up. So for setup, you have to long press the setup button until you hear a beep. After you release it, you will hear a voice prompt. And then once you hear the voice prompt, just click next and check the checkbox that says I heard the voice prompt. Once you're able to do that, you can continue on with the rest of the pairing process for the smart lock. Overall, this is a really good smart video lock system. It has multiple features such as the video lock, the video feature itself, and also a keypad. It's a door lock with a chime as well. It is able to communicate with people who are at your door via the audio system that it has. The video quality is really good.
I did have some issues with that app itself, but the product itself is really good. I'm assuming with future updates for the app, it will be fully functioning, and when that happens, this is going to be an amazing security system to have. So yeah, that is it for my review. Thank you guys for watching.